Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Vaigupta Vlogs. It's been long, I've not posted a video, so I thought what better way to start something new with this new helmet which I bought from LS2. This is LS2 Storm 2 or FF800. Now let's see what we get in the box. It costed me around 10,500. I bought it from Dynamic Riders Hyderabad. They gave me an excellent cost. Nowhere else I got the discount of 500 rupees, but still they chose to give me the discount. Uh, you can check out their showroom. It's in Hitex City. You can check in Google, or I'll drop the link in the description to their shop. And let's see what we get in the box. We get this helmet cover covering the helmet. Helmet is inside. Plus, we get a pin lock max vision. This is good because it is actually a touring helmet. I wanted to tour a lot, starting to make some touring videos. So I got this helmet for myself. Basically, my sister gifted me, and apart from that, I also got a balaclava from Dynamic Riders. It's from LS2 as well, costing around 500 bucks. They gave it to me for free. Let's get this beautiful helmet out. This particular helmet is in BMW theme, I would say, and looks pretty neat, pretty beautiful. I fell in love with this helmet at the first glance. I wanted to purchase this one since a long time. So here it is, the helmet. There's something it looks like. It's size XL, and it comes with two certifications, which is ISI and ECE. Comes with the latest ECE protection 22.06 or 06, and this, despite it weighs somewhere around 1550 grams, plus or minus 50 grams, but the weight distribution is beautiful on this helmet. It has two ventilation points, one on the top here and what at the very front end here near your face, and there is no step adjustment on the visor. I would say it's just two step, which is lock and unlock. Okay, and yeah, it comes with a double D ring lock, and this just wanted to show you the attention to detail from LS2. Here is the double D lock, and it comes with a red accent, and also there is some reflector treatment over here. Uh, there's some stickering on top here in the visor. It says eyeglasses fit system and ready for Lincoln. You can fit your Bluetooth intercoms inside. uh, that's about it from outside. Let's wear it and show it to you how it looks. So this is the fit. This is XL again, and the best part about this helmet is that LS2 makes different shell sizes for each different head sizes. So this is pretty nice, I would say. Here we go. So it fits nice. It's here, and there is also a sun visor. Just for your reference, if you don't want to change your visor, you want to keep your stock visor and still tour during the sunlight is there, you can use this visor. And here you go. You see, this is a wide vision. I can clearly see the from my peripheral vision that there is a wide angle I can attack, I can view. Previous to this, I used Axer Apex, which again comes under the category of around below 5,000 helmets, and this comes under below 11,000. I would say the major issue I faced with this helmet was the vision. Yeah, it's very narrow, and despite it's 1600 grams, it was feeling really heavy. It comes with a visor. I changed the visor here to a black one. just for the previous one was damaged. That's why it also comes with a pin lock, but a narrower one. It's not that wide as what we get in LS2. Comes with a double D ring. Okay, fits good. It's L size again, but the weight distribution is not so good on this. It feels really backward heavy, I would say. Feels heavy from the back. It gives a neck pain during the long rides. So yeah, it can be a pain. And but yeah, this was the first entry level helmet which I got for myself. Uh, yeah, it costed me around 4,300, and this new visor costed me around 800 bucks. The smoke visor. Okay, this is my partner's, and this is my jacket. So yeah, getting back, this I believe this helmet, it's a pretty value for money helmet. Um if you are riding, for me, I'm riding a Duke 390. You will see the picture here. Um, with that power, I think this much protection is the bare minimum which we can do for ourselves. Uh, this is not my bike, but this is the color which my bike looks like, and definitely this is a very good investment under 11,000. I would say if you're gonna get something for around 8,000, 9,000, for example, you can you would look for KYT helmets, but the KYT helmets has a problem that the spare parts are not available very easily. Okay. However, on the other hand, for LS2, the spare parts are available at any given showroom or a local showroom owner or a dealer. You can just ask them within a week's time; it will be available for you. And yeah, apart from that, I'm really gonna start using it now for my daily rides. What I forgot to tell you was the KPA, the kinetic polymer alloy technology, which this company uses. It's their patent, for which they can make the shell lighter and also at the same time make it safer. So this is something you can remove all the paddings from inside and wash it and apply it again. Also, it comes with microbial control technology. Now, I think it will prevent from uh, prevent from the fungus or the molds to fit inside, stick inside, and destroy your helmet or make it smelly and all that. So that's about it. And also, what I see here near the visor, sun visor, there is a cloth, like a microfiber cloth, which once you close your visor, it will clean it automatically. So this is great attention to detail from LS2. It's a very good alternative when you fight with KYT helmets. I would choose LS2 any day over, because I've been there. Visit Dynamic Riders. You will see a lot of helmet varieties over there, and they all sell genuine products. Their after sale services would be very nice. So yeah, much recommended. If you have any questions with this helmet, please do reach out to me through the comments, and please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed day.